Lack of content, buddy. No, I got some. Listen. Let me think more. Yes. Are you filming?
I'm always ready with you, brother.
So, to a well-educated human, it does not matter if school-educated or self-educated. You know what I mean. A computer is nothing more than a sophisticated add-in machine. An impeccable idiot. It makes up in speed what it lacks in intelligence. You have to input the theory into the computer before it can make a single calculation. The computer itself cannot generate new theories by itself. Furthermore, even if a theory is known, the computer may take an infinite amount of time to solve a problem. In fact, computing all the really interesting questions would take an infinite amount of computer time. I am gonna talk about its power consumption.